In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a Jira issue from a CSV file using the latest Jira user interface. Whether you're transferring issues from another platform or simply bringing in bulk data, understanding how to import CSV files efficiently can save you a significant amount of time and effort. To begin our journey, the first step is to create a new Jira board. This could seem like an unnecessary detail if you're just looking to import issues, but it's a crucial starting point in the new Jira interface. On the left panel of your Jira dashboard, you'll want to hover over the section labeled Projects. As you do this, notice a plus icon magically appearing next to it. This handy little icon is your key to initializing the setup of a new board. Go ahead and click on that plus icon to start the process. Once your new board is created, your focus needs to shift back to the left panel. This time, scroll all the way down to the bottom where you'll find an option that says Import Data. This function is perfectly tailored for importing external data, such as issues you might have stored in a CSV file. With a simple click on Import Data, you'll be greeted with a new range of import options. From the import type options, you're going to select the CSV file type. It's important to match the content you're importing with the correct format. And since we're focusing specifically on CSV files today, this is the option that suits our needs. If you're unsure whether your data is in the right format, double-check your file settings before proceeding. Ensuring your data aligns with Jira's requirements will help avoid any import errors down the line. Now comes the exciting part, uploading your CSV set. All you need to do is find the file on your device, typically through a drag-and-drop interface or a standard File Explorer window. Once you've selected your file, continue with the setup process provided by Jira. The platform will guide you through any necessary mappings or adjustments required to correctly align your CSV data with your Jira project. And there you go, folks! Within just a few steps, you've successfully imported your issues from a CSV file into Jira, saving yourself from the hassle of manual data entry. The process is straightforward once you know your way around, and this method powers you up with a time-efficient solution for managing bulk data migrations within Jira. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on importing Jira issues from a CSV file. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful guides. Happy project managing, and see you in the next video.